I haven't touched Star Wars Survivor over 30 days, and I started missing it. Not just the game, but you guys too. So I thought, why not come back and see what Season 6 is all about? So here I am. Let's log in. I'm pretty sure my base got wrecked multiple times. Alright, here it is. Everything just sitting here, uncollected, untouched, frozen in time. And my CP dropped to 545 million. Oops, that hurts. Let's take a closer look at the details. My CP dropped all the way to grade C. That's rough. Yeah, most of my troops got wiped out while I was gone. But at the same time, it also means this is where I can recover the most. And let's check the hospital. Yep, it's full. Let's heal and speed it up. And just like that, I got back 40 million CP.
I knew that I wouldn't.
But now, yeah, I'm thinking I'm back.
Then let's collect all the rewards I missed. Oh wait, there's a new section down here. Season buildings. Okay, that means the season things are now built inside the shelter. That's actually nice. We don't have to place them everywhere on the map. Everything is clean and accessible. That's a good update. Let's build whatever I can for now. Almost forgot the emergency center. What? I have over 50,000 troops in ICU. Oh, that's pain, man. Let's heal them. Oh my god, 18 days of healing. Are you kidding me? That's the consequences of leaving a shelter unprotected. I'm not speeding that up with ruby or money. I will let them heal slowly. I definitely need more troops for daily activities, but training is way too slow. So let's swap some troops from the reverses camp. Man, I love these features. You can swap excessive troops safely, they don't die from attacks, and you can swap them out anytime needed. But looks like moving them doesn't increase CP. That means the CP is already counted when the troops were trained. Good to know. Overall, my progress is not that bad after 30 days of absence. I still surpass 85% of local survivors. The weakest part is my structure CP, which only surpassed 1% of players. Maybe because of the combination of shelter level and season buildings. Let's look at the top alliance on my server. They are mostly industrial level 8, and me, level 5. I must work hard on it. I think I will spend a little just to catch up. I'm setting a limit at $100. The Dawn Badge is a good feature where I can budget myself instead of keep loading the game with my Apple Pay. No overspending again. Let's check the in-game bundles. 10,000 Dawn Badges for 480 ringgit, which is equal to $121. Man, the currency conversion and Digitex make it so expensive. I'll check with GemZ. Head to the Discord, open ticket. Can I get Dawn Badges for Dark War? Yup, they have it. How much? Okay, this is interesting. They have two packages. Package 1, pure discount. $81 for 10,000 Dawn Badges. That's already saved me $40, huge discount. Package 2, bonus badges. $99 for 10,000 plus 2,000 extra Dawn badges. More value, still within my budget. Okay, I'll take the second package.
A few moments later.
Top up done, and here's my 12,000 Dawn badges at $99. Let's go shopping. My main goal right now is to push the industrial level. For tech research, I'm already ahead of 90% players. No rush for now. Troops 87%. I won't spend on troop speed up because troop training is a long-term growth. Getting excessive troops doesn't make your formation stronger, just the CP number is bigger. So I will grow it naturally. Heroes 92%. That's something improvement I can do. I will unlock the exclusive equipment for Shadow, the last hero who doesn't have it in my first formation. Get the fragment bundle, and now all heroes in my first formation got the exclusive equipment. And then some precision parts bundles at good price. To compare the deals, you can divide the Dawn badges needed by the precision part offer. For example, this bundle rate at 9.9 badges per precision part, while another one is 31. So definitely not to buy the second deal because it's too expensive. The best deal is from this wiki pass at 4.8, but it takes time to collect. For the watchtower upgrade, unfortunately I still need more precision part to reach industrial level 6, but my structure CP has now surpassed 92% of local survivors. Total CP increased by 146 million. Everything seems back on track now. Looking at the world map is so quiet. Empty city, ghost shelter, and me. Everyone's gone. They all moved to the season map that combines server on a single map. Let's enter. Oh, I can't. I need to join an alliance first. Okay, let's reach out to my old leader. And I'm back in. Alright, this is season 6. Huge map, pyramids, gates. And there are 2 camps competing. I'm in the red camp with server 86 and 52. The rival camp is from servers 31 and 34. This is gonna be interesting. There's a lot to explore here, so I'm gonna take some time, explore and break it down in the next video. If there's anything you want me to cover, drop it in the comment. And if you enjoyed this comeback, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm Alan from Meta Instinct. See you in the next video.